The final step in using BASIC for Android is to create a .apk file, which you can use to send to the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store. We'll double-click on BASIC for Android again, close this opening dialog box, open up our project, and you'll notice up here at the top, right in the middle, that it says Debug Rapid. In order to build an app for distribution, aka a .apk file, you click on this and bring down here to Release or Release Obfuscated. If you're concerned about someone stealing your code, use the Obfuscated option, otherwise simply use the Release option. When you go ahead and run the Release option and then click Run, it will do everything it did before. Now this time it's going to tell us it can't find a device because I've closed the emulator. That's fine. I don't want to run the app on the emulator. I simply wanted to generate the APK. So I'll click OK, and then I'll click Close, and we'll come to the Windows Explorer. We'll go to the Documents directory, the ColorSpotter 1 directory where we created our app in the first place, and then we'll look inside the Objects directory. And inside there, right here at the bottom, you'll find colorspotter.apk. And that's the file that you would need to upload to the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store in order to be able to distribute your app. If you want to collect together all the pieces of your BASIC for Android app because you want to share your source code, you'll come over here to the File menu and select Export as Zip. And you can go ahead and click Include Shared Modules, and then you can tell it where you want to save that. So we're going to call this ColorSpotter Share and click Save. And if we once again come back to the Windows Explorer and come into Documents and look inside our ColorSpotter 1 folder, you'll see a ColorSpotter-Share, which is a zip file. If we change the view inside Windows to show extensions, we'll go ahead and click Options here, change Folder and Search Options, go to View, unclick Hide Extensions for Known File Types. You'll see that it actually is ColorSpotter-Share.zip. And if you take that and unzip it on another computer, you'll be able to open up your BASIC for Android project, which will contain all of your layouts, all of your source code, plus all the elements of your visual design. And that's a look at building applications using another simple environment for developing Android apps called BASIC for Android.